old do you have to be a part of LGBTQ? This is a bad question. I'm sorry, because I know teachers are supposed to say, no question is a bad question. But no, this is a bad question. Because it frames it in the wrong way. It frames like being gay or being trans is like joining a club. And it's like asking, well, how old do you have to be to join this club? That's not it. You're just gay. Or you're just trans. And you figure it out at different times. If you frame the question like, well, how old do you have to be to decide you're part of LGBTQ? Well, that's not actually what you're doing, right? You realize that you are gay, bi, or pan, or omni, or transgender, or genderqueer, or non-binary. The list goes on, as you know. You realize you are one of these things, and then once you realize you are one of these things, you are then part of LGBTQIA+. So to ask, oh, well, how old do you have to be to join? That's not it. It's just how old do you have to be to realize you're gay? Or how old do you have to be to realize you're queer? And for that, the answer is different for everyone, right? Some people realize that they're gay at a very young age. Some people realize that they're non-binary at a very young age. And some people don't realize their gender identity or sexuality until they're in their 50s. And all of that is completely fine. I appreciate the curiosity. Careful how we frame this question. I don't feel this question had any nefarious intent intentionally. But I do want to preface, it's not about how old you have to be to join. It's when do you realize that you're queer? I hope this helps.